Everyone claims they make the best soji, but this recipe will be the softest, fluffiest you will ever taste, and there's no doubt that you will be making this over and over again. So, let's get started. To a deep base pot, add in half a cup of butter ghee, and the recipe is in the link above. 2 long cinnamon sticks, 4 green elachi pods, 1½ cups of semolina or soji, and then mix this all together and braise on medium heat until it changes color. To another jug or bowl, add in 3 cups of full cream milk. To this, add in 2 egg yolks, half a teaspoon of egg yellow powder, half a teaspoon of elachi powder, a few strands of saffron, and mix this all together and leave aside. Then in another bowl, add in 3 tablespoons of milk powder in a 1/4 cup of full cream milk. Getting back to our pot, you can notice that the semolina has toasted slightly, but keep stirring this to make sure it doesn't burn. Semolina is high in gluten and mostly used around the world for pastas, bread, and biscuit doughs. As an alternative to semolina, you could also use almond flour or rice flour. If you do try this recipe with the alternative, let me know how it turned out. Once the semolina is slightly roasted and toasted, add in the egg milk mixture, and you will hear it sizzling. Also add in the clim mixture that we made and kept aside. Add in 1 full can of condensed milk. Also add in half a can of dessert cream, and at this point I like to switch off the stove and allow the mixture to dry out. It must reach this consistency where you are able to mold it for serving. To plate this, I'm going to place some soji onto a platter, drizzle some dessert cream over this, sprinkle some colorful almonds just to make it look a little prettier, and you're ready to serve this warm. Enjoy!